Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the given question, we have to simplify the given expression. Now what we have to do is at first we have to simplify 5b minus 2 whole square, and then we are going to use the long division approach in order to find the correct answer. So we have been given 5b minus 2 whole square, 5b minus 2 whole square plus 40b whole divided by 5b plus 2, right? Okay, so 5b minus 2 whole square can be written as 5b whole square, which is 25b square, plus 2 square, which is plus 4, minus of 2 multiplied by 5b, which is minus of 10b, multiplied by 2, which is minus of 20b. So 40b minus 20b will become plus 20b, right? And then we have divided by 5b plus 2. Now carefully observe, this is a very good question, because the question is formulated in such a way that we don't have to use the long division approach. Now let's see what I am going to do. So 25b square can be written as 5b whole square, and 4 can be written as 2 square, and 20b can be written as 2 multiplied by 5b multiplied by 2, and then we have divided by 5b plus 2. So can you observe what it is? It is nothing but 5b plus 2 whole square. So this will be 5b plus 2 whole square divided by 5b plus 2. So the question has become very simple. So this was a wonderful question. So 5b plus 2 whole square upon 5b plus 2 will be equals 5b plus 2. So upon checking the options, we see that option D will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.